What's the meaning of bully? Bully. Bully.
Bully. Bully. The word bully refers to someone who habitually seeks to harm or intimidate those they perceive as weaker than themselves. Bullying can take many forms, including physical violence, verbal abuse, and social exclusion. The consequences of this behavior can be devastating for victims, leading to feelings of fear, anxiety, and depression. In severe cases, bullying can even lead to suicide. It is important for individuals and communities to take a stand against bullying and to work together to create a safe and inclusive environment where everyone can thrive.